Very quick order, Alan changed his major to aerospace engineering and started taking flying lessons at the local airport. From the left, the L-39 Albatross. Well, it would be a Rhapsody in blue if the sky were a little clearer, but we're still remaining hopeful as the weather is holding off for us beautifully, and we do appreciate that. Socks off. The aircraft has an empty weight of 7,600 pounds, a normal takeoff weight of 9,750 pounds. Designed and built by Airshow, a Czech Republic engine, the Evchenko. From the left-hand side, now, ladies and gentlemen, watch as Alan comes by for the high-speed pass. This jet is actually capable of taking off at a distance of only 1,600 feet with a dynamic landing distance of 2,200 feet, allows it to land almost anywhere. And true to other Eastern Bloc designs, the aircraft is designed to operate from unimproved runways. The initial rate of climb is 6,000 feet per minute. Technical cruise speed 430 miles per hour with a 345 mile per hour normal cruise speed. The aircraft is armed as a centerline 30 caliber Gatling gun with 175 rounds plus 4 250-pound bombs or 2 500-pound bombs. It's also capable of firing 2 1.75-inch Zuni rocket pods with 16 Zunis in each. Let's look at the opposite side of the aircraft and the hard points mounted onto each wing of the Albatross. The Albatross are very capable aircraft. A number of the Eastern Bloc countries flying these aircraft on a regular basis today. Once again, from the left-hand side, ladies and gentlemen, a profile of this very pretty jet, L-39 Albatross. The smoke that you see coming from behind these performance aircraft, as you probably imagined, is done on purpose. They actually inject a light paraffin-based oil into the exhaust system of the aircraft. That applies both to piston engine aircraft as well as jet engine aircraft. And that oil does not in fact burn in the exhaust gases, but vaporizes, so it does not become a carbon-based situation. And it is approved by the EPA. It is EPA friendly. Again, that beautiful underside view, and then the top side view. She does a double banana going from left to right, showing us both surfaces. Alan is silver. Alan is single. I know I haven't mentioned it yet. I'm sure I haven't mentioned it yet. L-39 Albatross coming from our right-hand side right now. This is in the dirty position. So called because this is the point where the captain of the aircraft has all the zippers on his flight suit undone. Flaps are down, the landing gear is down in the landing configuration. You also notice he's almost out of smoke oil. Oh wait, it's a secret message, and it's in Morse. It says, "Did you remember to say I was single?" Comes down runway 15. And here's where we put the brakes on. The overhead brake to land. IG turn decelerates the aircraft rapidly. It comes around and extends the landing gear. Flaps in preparation for landing.
Well, nation's best airshow announcer, Mr. Gordon Bowman Jones.
Thank you very much indeed, Don. In fact, I would have signed up for those cordless irons, except I've already got some of those. Do you have any cordless woods over there? I need some of those. That's back at the Arctic Excel. Booth back there, so you can find back there. Incidentally, back there also signing autographs right now. At the Army recruiting booth, you'll find directly behind us there, the Golden Knights are out there now with some beautiful pictures and souvenir brochures of the Golden Knights. They're directly behind us. You can meet them at the Army recruiting tent right behind the announcer's podium, right on the ramp there. Alan Smith touching down in that CCCP. I've forgotten what it stands for in Russian now, but it's basically